The weight of the table without any accessories is 14 kilograms, which would be about 30 pounds. And I want to point out the craftsmanship of how the fabric has been sewed together. As you can see here, practice members really fight for the new tables because they are so comfortable and stable for the practice members, and they feel so much better during the entrainment. And if you're interested, you can find us here. This is our mail, phone number, and this is the second mail we have. Okay? Bye-bye.